The 2025 Lamborghini Temerario is anticipated to be a groundbreaking addition to Lamborghini's lineup, combining the brand's signature aggressive styling and high-performance engineering with cutting-edge technology. Here are some key features and highlights. Performance. True to Lamborghini's heritage, the Temerario is expected to boast a powerful engine, possibly a V10 or V12, delivering exhilarating speed and acceleration. Advanced aerodynamics and a lightweight chassis will contribute to its superior handling and agility. Design. The Temerario is expected to feature an aggressive and aerodynamic design characterized by sharp lines, a low stance, and an overall futuristic appearance. Lamborghini's trademark hexagonal motifs and Y-shaped elements will likely be prominent, enhancing its visual appeal. Interior. The interior of the Temerario is anticipated to reflect luxury and sophistication with high-quality materials, ergonomic seats, and a driver-focused layout. Cutting-edge tech integrations and premium comfort features will ensure a top-tier driving experience. Technology. The 2025 Temerario will likely be equipped with state-of-the-art technology, including an advanced infotainment system, driver assistance features, and connectivity options. Expect features like a fully digital instrument cluster, customizable driving modes, and possibly hybrid or electric powertrain options. The 2025 Lamborghini Temerario is poised to be a spectacular supercar, blending Lamborghini's iconic design language with modern performance and technology enhancements, appealing to enthusiasts and collectors alike.